Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can find the underground cellar in the ancient jungle of fish eggs. So this area is super easy to miss, but it's home to secret rare items and unique fishing spots you won't find anywhere on the map. So in here, once you're in the ancient jungle, you can just go right and you can just follow the water in here until you found the purple and the yellow mushrooms. So you'll see this underground cellar. So this underground cellar is only open at night, so you need to check the time in here. As you guys can see now, it's currently night. So if you want to enter this spot at day on the daylight, you cannot enter this space, so you need to check for the time to be able to go inside this cellar. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.